Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to make car with keyboard symbols. Click on insert, go to the symbols, click on more symbols, and you need to select the font SEGOE UI symbols, and in the subsets you need to click the extended characters plain 1, and after that when you will come down you will see there are so many car symbols, and which one you like you just need to click on that and click on insert. If you like this one, insert. Further, you maybe notice that when I click on this one, there is the character code change. So you can also type these character codes and press Alt X, and then you will get the desired car symbol. Select all. You can make big, increase the font in the home tab. You can select the design style, whichever you like, and this is pretty simple and very easy. So I hope you understand the how to make car with keyboard symbols. If you think this video is supportive, please support my channel. Thanks for watching.